Un, dos et un, dos, tres.
Hello everyone, it's me Himangshu and welcome to Ramble and Curry. Summer is here and the best way to enjoy and celebrate this season is by attending the amazing food truck festival held in Ostend, Belgium. Watch this video till the end and let me know in the comment section as to what kind of food festival you are intending to visit this summer. So without further ado, let's get started. During the summers, a flock of food trucks move from city to city to please locals with street food from around the world. The idea of the Barrio Cantina festival emerged in 2014 in Belgium, when the ever-growing hype around the street food and food trucks became hard to ignore. Since its first edition in Gent, an hour drive from northwest of Brussels, the festival turned out to be a success and proved that Belgians were waiting for this kind of event. The festival also organizes for a live DJ session, so you can simply unwind, relax and have fun. Over 50 truck stops in Ostend in June, and they continue the tour to Bruges for several days. Some of them represent famous restaurants while others only exist as food trucks. The trucks served a wide variety of food and drinks from all over the planet, and Belgian specialties like waffles and fries, American burger, Mexican food, Chinese and Thai cuisine, vegetarian dishes, fresh juice, homemade teas, etc. were served. It will mean a lot to me if you can kindly click on the like button and share this video with friends and family. Do subscribe to the channel because many new videos will be coming up in future, and you can always follow me on Instagram.
Intimacy is all I need from you to me. Oh my, intimacy is all I need from you to me.
If you're looking for a mini gastronomic adventure with friends and family, the Barrio Cantina Festival is a good fun. Entrance is free, so all you need to do is spot the best delicacy, enjoy them, spend few hours. Aside from the endless selection of dishes, visitors may enjoy delicious cocktails served in the bars on the wheel.
Intimacy is all I need from you to me.
Ostend beach is always a delight and relaxing. The calmness of the city attracts many tourists from all over the country. The beach is about 7 kilometers long and is located at the northwest of the North Sea. The windy day has come to an end, and so has this video. I hope you can plan and visit this amazing city and enjoy the various activities that happens here during the summer.